Hi, welcome to Excel Tips GH. In our previous lessons, we completed the lesson 1 and then even started with the lesson 2. In today's lesson, we are going to create a payroll system which is automated or say partially automated by entering your basic salary and then other allowances. It is going to calculate the tax on it based on the 2022 graduated rate. So let us begin by creating a new sheet and naming it new payroll. Okay, so here let's begin from M3. We are going to create the template, which is typically employee name, employee the basic salary, let us test swap it. Now we are adding if the person or the employee is given any cash allowances like the duty allowance, risk allowance, any other allowances, clothing allowance. We add everything up and put the value over here. So we have cash allowance. Then from here we are going to limit ourselves to only the tier 2 relief. So we have the tier 1, which is the employees own of 13%, and then we have the tier 2, which is paid by the employee 5.5%, and then we have the income tax. So to make it nicer, let us put them in brackets and then enlarge this side. So this is how a typical payroll looks like. Now to calculate the income tax, we are going to import the graduated tax rate from our previous lesson. So we select everything including the tax band range, we copy, and then we come and paste them over here. Now let us insert a new column, and this column is going to be the calculation for our chargeable income. We explained that the chargeable income is the assessable income minus the relief. So here the assessable income is going to be the basic salary plus the cash allowances. So this plus this, then less our tier 2 contribution by the employee. So then let us drag it down. Let us enter another column, insert another column as well, and here we are going to calculate or bring our tax band. So our tax band, it is going to be our Vlook the lookup value is going to be this, the table array is going to be this, and then we are going to select it from the second column. We can also drag it down. Now, because of this error, let us review our formula. So it is going to be if error. If there is an error, it should return 0. Now we can drag it down. Okay, then here is going to be our tax. Here we left something out. We have to lock the column, the tax band range. So when we put the cursor on it, then we press F4, then here to F4. So we can now drag it down again. Thank you. Now here is our tax band line or row. This we are going to use the match. Then the lookup value is going to be this. Then our table array is still going to be the last or the both, and then the match type is the table array should be only this side, and then the match type is exact. Enter. Then we drag it down. In the same way, we are going to lock this side with lock here and here. So we can now drag it down again. Wow, and then it has given us a correct figure. And here is going to be the row before our tax band. So here it's going to be this -1. But then we have to note that this is the beginning, so we have to input a formula which says that if this is less than, if this is equal to 2, then 2, otherwise this. Okay, so it is going to return it. It will not exceed this side. So let us drag downwards. Thank you. Now, in calculating our income, it is going to be index. Then our array is going to be here. We are going to pick the cumulative tax. Then comma, the row number is going to be the tax band before the row before the tax band. The column is going to be 1. Then we are done. Then to continue, we add. Thank you for watching. In our next lesson, we are going to calculate the full income tax. Please, for this work to continue, kindly like and share so that we can have longer minutes of lessons. Please join us in our next lesson whilst we calculate the income tax. Thank you. Bye.